Hi, best buddies. How are you?
I'm good.
Hello. Good, good.
Okay. So, how is your last week?
Was good.
Amazing.
Okay. So, as we are progressing from every year from one place to other in different challenges.
Yeah.
This week we are going to talk about outcomes. Okay, incredible process we call it. So here, having an outcome gives you an ever motivating purpose. However, just having outcomes is not enough. You need to have incorrect process, right? Having an incorrect process is about having clarity about what you want to be in an area of your life. They provide directions and focus, and as they know, are necessary for continued lifelong learning and growth. It is helpful to ensure that your outcomes are fit for purpose. The Incorrect model outline some simple guidelines that you can use for setting effective outcomes in the key areas of your life.
Yeah.
Uh, so, intangible. Keep your outcome simple and focused rather than worldly and vague. Be very specific about outcome you want. Navigate. How will you know when your outcome has been reached? What will be different? How will you measure it? Challenging. Do you have the desire, skills, and tools to accomplish your outcome? Real. The outcome must be achievable. Has someone done this before? Exact. State your outcome as if it's already been achieved. This trains the unconditioned mind to and accept the outcome as real, which helps you to move more effectively towards its what date is it going to get done. Do it. Uh, you know everything you need to know. What you waiting for, do it. What commitment and achieving your ultimate outcome. Can you say I commit?
Yes, I commit.
I commit to what do you want to do? What do you want to accomplish?
I commit to start my preschool in August 2021.
Very good. What about you, Hemaji?
Yes. Where will my client come from?
No, no, I commit that I'll get this. You have to say like that.
Acha, I commit. I'll get this.
Yeah.
I commit. I write a book. This is a commit. I
Okay.
commit.
Yeah, I commit that I'll write a book. Very good.
Yeah.
Okay. So incorrect outcomes example I'll give you. Non-incorrect outcomes. Normally, what will we do is uh, I will improve my food habits. Suppose it's you want to lose weight. You say yourself that I will improve my food habits and workouts. So that will not give you exact results. So uh, it has to be incorrect outcome. For that, you have to say for the next 30 days, I will record my food and track my workouts. I will make a list of the things that I am allowed to eat and throw out all the junk out and do weight training at gym minimum 60 days, at least 3 days a week. So this is very clear outcome. Whereas if you just say, no, I'll improve my food habits or and do exercise, your brain will not able to understand. Similarly, non-incorrect, I will uh, I will file my income tax returns on time this year. Okay, when you say like that, mostly you will not able to do it. Incorrect outcome should be like this. for the next 3 months, I will track all the earnings and make segments for every business and personal expenses over uh, 10,000. Then I will identify opportunities to earn more income. You understood what is the difference between non-incurred and incurred?
Yes, I understand. Like
Yes,
I
yes.
understand, I will launch a new business. What is this is a non-outcome.
Yes.
And if I will think increase outcome, it will, I will the next 30 days, I will work on my business. That is a increase. Matlab
Time.
specified
Yeah.
measurable, you measure easily. That is a increase process. I
Absolutely.
understand totally.
Very
Totally. I
Yeah, even I got it.
Yeah,
Mm.
very good. So congratulations, you are able to understand that we should have a timeline, we should have a clarity in our mind, and we should have a process. So then we'll
Yeah.
be able to do it. Good, good. Crafting incurred outcomes about the activity. Your uh, outcome purpose of this activity is to help you make your ultimate outcomes achievable, measurable, time bound, and practical. Here there are two steps are there. Step one is filling up incurred worksheet by answering questions about your outcomes for each of the incurred section. Step two is to write down your 6 core businesses and in front of each, write down how it's being satisfied by your ultimate outcome. Okay, can I give you some time? Okay, I'll give you half an hour time. You just write down each area in your life, and
yeah,
you
definitely.
have to write down the time frame and how you are going to do that. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Can
Yes,
you,
yes.
yeah, just half an hour time. Yeah, welcome back. Hope you have done the exercises.
Yes.
Yes, yes, we
What
did
did
it.
yeah?
I
What
did
do you
it.
What do you understood?
I understood my challenges. This is measurable, and how to I measure my challenges, my outcome, and how to connect my baseline, many e codes and e codes, n codes. How to interconnect this process. So I understand this is a solution. This is my challenges. This is my solution, or this is my difficulties.
Okay. Uh, what about you, Hemant?
So I believe, Nadeem ji, this is very powerful worksheet. It helped us to analyze our outcome in a very, very deep and in a deep way. So we have thought of each and every aspect which helped us to decide and finalize how we will go about it, like challenges we could able how we can meet our all baselines, what are the end codes were coming, and how we can convert those encodes into e-codes. So it has given a complete, very good scenario, very good picture in front of us. And definitely, if we will go through this system, we'll achieve our outcome. Though it was not possible earlier.
Okay. Now what you have to do is you already written encodes and e-codes, right? How you are converting that.
Yeah.
So now what we have to do is we have to do the challenges. Okay. So in here below list down possible reasons that will stopping you from achieving the ultimate outcome. Write down challenges that you think may stop you in future as well. Next, to each challenges, write either E, easy, or the letter D, difficult. They, depending on the difficulty level of the challenges, try to come up with a solution. So I'll give you this chart. You have to write down your challenge, your solution, and your difficult levels. So again, you just stay cool and work out on that. We'll come back after some time. Is it okay?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, hope you have worked out. Himaji?
Yes, we did
Yes,
it.
yes.
Yeah. Can you give me two examples? Like, what are the challenges? I mean, what is your outcome? Like, what do you want to achieve?
Yes, my outcome is where will my clients come from? That is my challenges.
Okay.
And solution, invest good money in running my campaign to get good clients. And difficulty, who is manage that? That is my
Difficult.
difficulty, because I'm not tech savvy person.
Okay. Okay.
That's why. So that is my difficulty. And second is converting lead into a client. This is my third, well, second challenge. Solution, do a quality discovery session and do a lot our discovery session. And difficulty is how to produce my discovery challenge, and how to not I don't have proper words, how to manage that this discovery channel, who campaigning, who's supporting me. That is my difficulty.
Yeah.
So, do you have a time frame?
Yeah, I have a time frame. I have a 60 days. I
What ab-
can make my process by for conversation. That is my measurable, and I am setting it now so that I can achieve it, and it will help to achieve other outcome like success.
Very good. So what about you, Asha?
So my outcome is to I have to start my preschool by August 2021, 25th August 2021, with at least 10 enrollments. That is the outcome I formulated. So the challenges are, one is the marketing part, because we have certain restrictions. We cannot advertise openly. So solution for this is through the Facebook page and the WhatsApp contact numbers. Next is as because of COVID, everything is shifting on online, and I thought it's giving you more opportunity. So I wanted to do that, but the difficulty is that I'm not tech savvy, so I have to learn those techniques so that I can make it successful. And another
What is
challenge is like,
what is the solution?
for tech savvy, I have to learn the technology part, uh, and one technology in the sense making you videos and making the classroom so attractive that kids can stay in front of the screen for some time. That time, maybe for 1 hour or 2 hours, they should stick to it. So that is my thing.
Right. So there are so many new technologies are there, which is very easy. Most of that is in your mind that it's stopping you. So you have to remove that fears. And what is the
Yes.
time? What is the timeline you set for yourself?
Pardon?
Timeline.
25th, yeah, my due date is 25th August 2021.
All the best. Okay. So you completely understood how we have to set the timeline, how we have to overcome the challenges, how we have to find out the solutions. Okay. So please go on
Yeah.
working
Yes.
this way. Get your baselines, convert your encodes into e-codes, and start working on that, and you start producing more and more. Okay. We'll meet next week again. All the best.
Yeah,
Okay.
right.
And
Yeah. Thank
applause
you.
yourself. Okay. Bye.
Thank you, Nadeem
Bye. Good
ji.
night. Good night.
Bye. Take
Bye.
care.
Good night.